All right, back for flight 2. Got Jorge again helping. Hand launch. Okay, I'm going up to throttle up. 3, 2, 1, go. Thank you.
Yep, welcome.
Oh yeah, it feels good.
Feels better?
Yeah. Ooh.
That looked awesome. You gotta do a pass like that again. I'll try to grab a picture. Alright, well, thank you very much.
Oh, hold on. Let me come back. Oh, let me drop the middle rates actually. Hold on. Oh. Whoa. Okay.
You scared me in that.
All right.
Man.
Hold on. Let's try this again. Oh man. All right. I'm coming back this way. Oh, that elevator got a little touchy on me. Alright, yeah, I don't know how low I can get it this time.
I got it, but it wasn't the most beautiful picture in the world.
Let's bring this up for.
That first pass you did was awesome, though.
Well, that was kind of unintentional. Like it got away from me a little bit. Oh, I should have checked the voltage actually on that last flight. See, 3 minutes.
I got a few. I don't know if any of them are any good, but.
All good. So yeah, it's definitely. I'm not used to not having rudder. Like, I want to be able to correct with a rudder, but I can't really do that. If it doesn't have it, be like a touch and go.
Do that again, I'll get
Okay, I'll come back. Here it comes. Okay.
I got part of your head in it too.
Okay.
I got something. I'll send it to you.
Good. Thank you. Let's see how it feels inverted. Perfectly fine.
Oh wow, that does look good.
Let's reverse it. Timer 1 up already. Alright, I gotta set the 3 minutes. Actually, I should have checked the voltage on that last flight, the maiden flight. Alright, landing from the left. Okay. No rudder. I'm used to using rudder right there. Oh. Alright. Settle you back down. Okay, thank you. Alright. Good second flight.